Hi, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat in a day, vegan style. I start every morning with 1 liter of warm lemon water to help with my digestion and to rehydrate me. So now it's a couple hours later and I go on to have my delicious hot drink. It's chocolatey, it's delicious, it's my coffee substitute, and for those of you that follow us on social media, you'll know that I have this every day. It is the favorite part of my day. It's what I look forward to. It's sweet, it's chocolatey, it's filled with antioxidants and nutrients. For the recipe, check out our link below. For lunch, I made a vegan kimchi fried rice. This is so easy and so flavorful. It's packed full of beautiful, vibrant vegetables. Here I've got broccoli, peas, mushrooms, carrots. It can easily be swapped out for any of the veggies that you have on hand. And it is super flavorful with the kimchi, the toasted sesame oil, and the tamari. You have to make this. The recipe is described below. On this day, we were totally craving comfort food, so for us that means mac and cheese, and we paired it with roasted broccoli and sautéed kale. Well, that's what I eat in a day as a vegan. I hope I've provided you with some inspiration for things that you can make in your own kitchen. Now, I will say that I don't start out my day knowing exactly what I'm going to make or having a plan. I just go into my fridge and I go from there. I do try to make sure that I'm eating a wide variety of plant-based foods throughout the day to make sure I'm getting all of my nutrients in, and my overall goal is to make sure that half of my plate is filled up with fruits and vegetables. Now, if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.